engagements even postponed because of Honorable Kaluma, because we've engaged at length on this issue. Today, he had actually said because he's in Homa Bay, he's not able to come today, but he's texted me. I've tried to move his amendments even where I don't agree with, but I have not been allowed procedurally. So you are just as well-intentioned as I am, because you realize the way we've been moving, even the committee, we've sat with them. There are some they agree with me. There are some they don't agree with me. But legislation has to go on whether we agree or not. In the same way with the Honorable Kaluma, you cannot get 100% agreement. Madam Chair, I just wanted to indicate that, again, in the same manner, I agree with a lot of the issues that are proposed in Clause 30, including, for instance, the issue of where you have congenital abnormalities, all the children born out of pregnancy shall be children of the intended parent, so that you don't have people refusing children that because, these children are not born, like perfect children, then we cannot accept them. Once you go through assisted reproduction, the child becomes yours. Again, the only other challenge that I face, which I don't agree with, is the issue of the genetic link. And for me, I think it is an issue of discrimination, that if somebody has had a baby, that you'd want to differentiate between genetic link and non-genetic link. And I've given you the perfect example, that a lot of us men here, by faith, have children who we think are ours, but we don't know. I know CNN is worried and saying that I'm hard on men. I'm not hard on men. Maybe I'm actually hard on women. I'm calling on our women that please make sure that our children have the genetic makeup of our husbands. But that is not the reality in the world we are living. We have children who have the genetic makeup of our husbands. We also have others who don't have the genetic makeup of our husbands. It's the reality. But we accept them by faith, and the law also accepts them by faith. So why are we making this distinction when it's assisted reproduction? And I know the committee, even though this is the first time, but should this come in the future again before your committee, please have a more progressive mind. For the sake of the child, even if not for the sake of the woman or the intended parents, for the sake of the child. So that you are not advertising the child out there.
Millie.
You are not advertising the child out there.
Millie Odhiambo. Did you say that we have children who have a genetic connection with our pastors?
Yes. With our pastors?
Yes.
No, I did not say with our pastors, but it is a fact. It is also a reality. In fact, Chair, there is one of the things that I want to actually raise before this House, that as a person who is a Christian, I am very concerned at some of the practices I see in some of the churches, where pastors are praying and touching women's breasts and touching women's buttocks. We are still on earth, and you touch a woman's breast, what you are creating is excitement. You are not creating a spiritual surge. It is sexual surge. There is no spiritual surge in such instance. Stop touching women's breasts and buttocks during prayers. There's nothing spiritual about that. Keep distance. The spirit will work between you and the woman with the distance. There's no need to put a physical touch between you and a woman. So yes, there are children who have DNA with the pastors.
Yes. Point of information from the Honorable Dr. Pokose, the surgeon.
Thank you. I just wanted to inform the Honorable Millie that Professor Jaldesa, allow me to inform the Honorable Millie. I wanted to inform the Honorable Millie that in the Sexual Offences Act Amendment Bill, touching buttocks and touching breasts is illegal. And therefore, if that bill comes to the House and it's made to be law, then I think pastors will not touch any breast or